Hi there, hello. Magandang umaga po. This is only a very short video that would share to you the benefit that I discovered about oregano, the oregano leaves. You know, I consider oregano leaves as a magic solution. If you are sick of many afflictions like cough and cold, or if you're having a stomach trouble, one thing I discovered is that whenever I feel some itchiness in my throat, all I do is pick up about a couple of leaves, wash them, and then now I have washed this already, and I eat them straight from the plant. You know, it tastes some sort of a little bit sour and minty. Doesn't taste bad at all. But you know, the effect is very precious because it eliminates the itchiness of your throat. And if you are already coughing, your cough will be productive. It expels the phlegm from your lungs. And I was just watching the YouTube with a doctor, a medical doctor speaking, also talking about the benefit of oregano. He said that oregano is also effective for stomach troubles. It is both antibacterial and antivirus. So the next time you feel some irritations, colds coming, or cough bothering you at night, don't fail to pick a couple of leaves and eat them directly. I do that. And for the past many months of using it, I found it really very effective. Bye-bye.